Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a local delivery business with Instacart, full guide step by step clearly. Start by researching the demand for local delivery services in your area. Identify your target market and potential customers. Register for an Instacart account and familiarize yourself with their platform. Explore the requirements and guidelines set by Instacart for delivery partners. Equip yourself with the necessary technology, such as a smartphone and a reliable internet connection. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your services, pricing, and marketing strategies. Choose a suitable name for your business that reflects your delivery services. Register your business with local authorities and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Set up a dedicated bank account for your business transactions. Consider investing in transportation, such as a bike, scooter, or vehicle suitable for local deliveries. Develop partnerships with local grocery stores, restaurants, and retailers. Create a marketing strategy to promote your delivery services within the community. Use social media platforms to reach potential customers and enhance visibility. Network with local businesses and join community groups to build connections. Prepare to manage customer inquiries and feedback professionally and promptly. Establish a tracking system for deliveries to ensure timely and efficient service. Train yourself on customer service best practices to enhance client satisfaction. Start your delivery operations by accepting orders through the Instacart platform. Monitor your performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. Continue to adapt your business strategies based on customer feedback and market trends. Evaluate your growth and explore opportunities for expansion in your delivery services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.